That was too much of an effort. That was too much of a... Hey. Hey.
Little buttons. Why are they so cute?
I'm knackered. Look at them. They just went back all to sleep.
They're so cute. And the little ears. And the little paw there. And little babies.
And
these ones are passed out as well. Oh my god, they're so precious. Anyway, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is our first full day in Halong Bay in Vietnam. But we're leaving the house and it's 12:30. So I was up until 2 o'clock last night getting some work done. Jeremie was up until 4 a.m. watching the football. So we slept in until 11. We've just got ourselves showered and dressed. And we're now leaving for the day. So it's a very late start, but we're going to walk to Halong Bay town, which I think should take about an hour. We're going to get some food along the way, have a walk round. We've got our cameras, Jeremie's got his drone. I hope you can hear me with the wind. But yeah, so this is our first full day, even though we're only awake at 12 o'clock. So not the best start, but never mind. At least we kind of needed to sleep. So this is where we got dropped off yesterday, and that 5-10 minute walk felt so much easier without carrying 30 kilos of equipment and clothes and shit. Anyway, so we're here. Are we going to stop here for lunch or carry on into town? Because the problem is it's now 1:45 and a lot of places in Hanoi would stop serving at like before 2. I think so.
I think this place I want to stay in, the potato one.
Potato something we're going to?
Because we come and
yeah, I'll show you when we get there then. So this is where we want to go, which is Cat Ba Sweet Potato Homestay and Restaurant. It looks a little bit closed, so we're going to see if it's open. So this is where we're going, and there's nobody here. She's had to open up and clean the table for us. So I don't think there's a lot of tourists, or maybe they're all in town and not up here. But anyway, this is where we're staying for lunch. This is our lunch. We got noodles with veggies. Okay, so we had lunch, which was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really good. Well, not, yeah, veggies. We've not really had veggies since we've been here in about a week, and we do quite like our veggies, fruit and veg, don't we? So we've been missing it a little bit. But we're now almost in Cat Ba town. It seems like we're on the outskirts at the moment. There's a couple of hotels here. There's a lot of construction, things like that. So we're almost there. But I just thought I'd let you know about the restaurant. And I'll show you what we're looking at because it's quite cool. First of all, this building does not... It's so out of place, yeah. Anyway, this is the way we're walking. So we're just walking past this, which I'm not sure if it's a temple. We're going to go and have a quick look. So having been inside and also noticing this with the planes and things, we think it's a war memorial for some of the people that died during the war. Look at all the papayas! How delicious. And then Jeremy just pointed out these are all lettuce as well, lettuce leaves, like salad leaves. Right, we're nearly there, still going. How cool is that up there on the rocks? I'll try and zoom in because I don't know if we're going to walk up to it. Oh, that's cool. Just look at this scaffolding. That would not be allowed in England, let me tell you that for sure. Look at this fancy place. That belongs in Miami. Uh-oh, bus, stick to the side. Oh, by the way, Jeremie's wearing his French t-shirt because France won against England last night and he loves to rub it in my face. Not that I care at all, but he's proud. So I don't think I showed you earlier, but this building here is new, and these are all being built, and all the way up to where we're staying is all cornered off for this one huge resort. They're going to have Dior stores, Burberry I think it was, restaurants, hotels, apartments. It looks absolutely huge. These are the pictures along the side here. So it looks like it's going to be so nice. Catalina. Like if you look at that, that's insane at how big that is compared to like, you know, the town that is lots of small buildings. It's going to be a big change. Anyway, we're now walking along the road to get to the actual town part. We're still not there yet. Okay, so we've come to Tung 2, something like that, beach. This is our first real look of the water and of the mountains and things. My God, that is pretty. Wow.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on.
These views are insane. I can't believe it. And then that's the beach that we were just at. And you can see there's like a group of people there, but otherwise there's no one. Jeremie's decided to fly his drone. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I've been looking forward to this. It's going to be insane. So enjoy the footage.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
More in town, and here you can see some fish drying. We also saw a woman with loads of bags of squid, and she was cleaning some shrimps or something. So you can tell it's a real fisher town here. Anyway, we're about to walk into like the centre, I think. Jeremie's just flown his drone, as you would have seen, and the main part of town seems to be here, so I think we'll be in the in a minute.
If I could take you back to my youth.
All the way over there, and you can still hear it, because obviously echoes all around the like mountains and things, but this is the view anyway. I thought I'd show you, even though you can hear crazy drilling. It's beautiful.
Place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong.
So I just walked past this Pearl I Love Katba thing. Decoration, but it's lovely. It's all nicely planted with flowers and palm trees, and it's very touristy, but very beautiful.
But the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So this whole place is full of really big hotels like this, and then once in a while you get a little house like this one and like this one where they clearly didn't want to sell, and everywhere around them just got built up. But it's all these like really high, quite thin buildings as well, quite thin hotels. Blimey, that is quite the welcome, that big welcome to Katba. I wonder if that's where most of the ferries and boats and things arrive.
Well, that's why you take the boat to visit Halong Bay.
Ah, yeah, okay. But we're going to go up here, and then we're going to go to a different bay and hopefully photograph some small villages with Jeremie's drone. So we found another place doing fried bananas. How much does it cost then? 10,000?
40 cents.
40 cents, and it's delicious. Oh, some fish for sale. walked through town. We're now walking up to, what's it called? Lan Ha?
Lan Ha something.
Lan Ha something.
Lan Ha.
Oh, Lan Ha something. But it's where the floating villages are. So we're walking up there. I was just eating my banana. That's why I didn't film anything in town. But we saw one of the hairdressers that I've seen on the side of the street actually chopping someone's hair. So I took some pictures. I'll pop that on the screen now. Oh, we're walking uphill. So I'll talk to you at the top. Okay, we're on our way to Vịnh Lan Hạ, which is the floating villages, and look at that view. Insane. Wowee. Can we just take a minute? How beautiful is that? Okay, Jeremie's about to fly his drone. So we're about to fly over the villages, and this is our first reaction to seeing it on the drone. I hope it's going to be a good reaction because I'm filming it. Wow!
Oh wow, it's whoa. Look at the mountain, look at that. Whoa. I did not expect that.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ.
That's insane! Okay, so this is the end of the road, and this is where the floating village is. This is also where some of the cruises and things are that you might see. But yeah, we've made it. So you can't see, but I'm just nearly crying right now because it's just like, oh.
I think you're nearly crying.
We've just had such a shit 2 years, and now we're seeing such beauty. And I don't know why I'm vlogging this, but oh god. I think I need a hug. I know, it's just...
Cheers.
Yeah. Happy crying.
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is thick. All I'm asking now, don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. I know that you're tired, my love, but please don't go. There's valleys and mountain tops on this rocky road.
So I need to film my reaction because we're looking at we're looking at the video of Jeremie's drone. It's making me cry because it's just too beautiful. I'm legit crying. It's insane. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, what is wrong with me?
Don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. In sickness or health.
Okay, Okay, so we just walked to that white hotel that you might have seen in the last video. We've walked all the way past there. I have stopped crying, but the view is still insane. My goodness, this is like a pinch me moment. It's like crazy. Let me show you. So there's this person down here doing some fishing or something, but then this is the view that I'm talking about. Isn't that just insane? So it's now about 4:30. We decided we're going to walk home, but we need to walk pretty quickly and not stop too much because I don't fancy walking along that road at night time. But yeah, time to go back. What an incredible day. Like, I cried 3 times, I think, just from how beautiful it is here. So that doesn't happen often with me. So obviously you know it is beautiful. Anyway, heading home now, so we'll probably chat to you maybe along the way or otherwise when I get back.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
So I just got myself a pineapple, because like I've been saying, someone just shouted. I just got myself a pineapple because like I was saying, I'm missing fruit and like cold foods, and it costs 20,000, which is just less than €1 basically. So I'm going to chop that up tonight and have some probably for dessert, have some tomorrow morning for breakfast, take it along for day trips. So this is what I was showing you earlier, the things that they're building. And if you look at that, it's massive, 176 hectares. That is so big. Anyway, we are still walking. It's getting a bit dark, but yeah, just to show you how big it is. I mean, it's still going on here. It's just so big. So we've made it to our lake. I say our lake, but we're staying just on the right hand side here. So we just got home and I'm giving them puppy cuddles. I think it's probably too dark for you to be able to see, but it's so cute.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Second.
Forever.
Please.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So these 2 puppies are asleep on Jeremy.
Just twitching. One second. Careful.
So it's 9:45. Everybody's left the restaurant, and Jeremy's stuck here. He can't leave. He's stuck here until tomorrow morning, like this.